Hello and what's up to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It means a lot. It means a lot to me. So that was me waking up in the morning and I'm trying to keep a clear face. So I was putting on my face mask and then I look like a ghost, I know, but yeah, that was me trying. Hey, I'm trying to clear the spots on my face, so I was just putting on my face mask. Don't mind the room, that's where we are living, and that's what I can afford for now. So, yeah, don't mind the background and all that. So, after doing my face mask, I then needed to make sure that I spread my bed. That's one thing that I normally do when I wake up. I first have to spread my bed. I prefer keeping my bed neatly done so that whatever activity that I need to do, I can do it later on, having a bed that is done. So this was me, and it's winter, so we have a lot of blankets that we keep ourselves warm, so we need to just be warm and have a lot of blankets. So there is me taking out all the blankets and making sure that I fold them neatly so that the bed can be neatly done. After that, I think I had to check with myself, like, what was I doing next, because I remember on that day I didn't cook or do anything. I remember I didn't cook here. So that was me folding my blankets. I'm a person who loves pillows. I'm a sucker for pillows. Hey, I love my pillows. So I make sure that I have a lot. So I don't know what I was looking at. I don't know what I was even looking at. But yeah, that was me then. Okay, the next thing, I was done with the bed. Okay, it's not 100%, but it is that. So the next thing that I did was to go and fetch water, because we are living in those big backyard rooms, so we go and fetch water outside. So you see that 20-liter bucket, that's where I fill up my water. So I was just grabbing my jacket because it was a little bit cold. Yes. And then after that, I fill up my water, I plug it on, and then I make sure that I, what do you call it, I put it on, and then I take my bath. After that, the next thing that I did was I wanted to, yeah, I came back and I started reading my book. So the next thing that I did was reading that book, Dynamic Daily Encounters with God by Zacharias Tani Formam. It's a powerful book. It's really powerful. And that was my Bible. So I'm a person who really loves writing whatever that I would have learned. So I was just scribbling down whatever that I learned and just making sure that I write down so that I don't forget. So at the end of the day, that was me looking like a ghost with my face. And yeah, how was your day? What were you doing? So this is another vlog. I think I'm getting better with this because I'm just learning also. So let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.